What's up guys, welcome back to my channel The Global Tongue, and I'm Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma. I hope you remember me by now, and this is my channel The Global Tongue, and in this channel we talk about communication. So far I've uploaded lots of videos regarding communication, and I'm here again with my new video. And today the topic of my video is how come you are here. So we'll learn how to use how come, because I often hear people whenever they use how come statement, they don't use it nicely. So I'll teach you how to do it nicely, and this will be global format, guys. So let's first of all understand what is the meaning of how come. How come means surprising, right? Surprise. So let's say I have written down something on the board, which is the one question is how come you are here. And let me tell you, I'll give you a situation. Let's say there is a guy called John, and then we have Sophia. So John asks Sophia, would you like to go with me to the market? And Sophia says no. So now John goes to the market and starts shopping around. And all of a sudden John sees Sophia, and John says, how come you are here? So this means John is kind of surprised, because at first Sophia said that she wouldn't be coming, and all of a sudden now when John is already in the market and he sees her, and he is kind of surprised. So that's when he uses a statement, how come you are here? So how come means it's a kind of surprising statement, right? So whenever we have surprise, you use how come. Let's say you check your pocket, okay? And all of a sudden you get to see $500, and then you're surprised. Oh, how come I've got the money? Because last time when you checked, your pocket didn't have anything. So all of a sudden you got $500, so you're surprised. So it's how come I've got the money? So how come means surprise. Whenever you have surprise, you use how come. How come he's here? How come you are giving him money? Or let's say you've helped a person in the past, right? And the person did not return the money. And the person again approaches you and asks for money. Hey, would you lend me some money? And then you say, how come you are asking for the money again? Because last time when I gave you money, you didn't return. So this is how we use how come. So whenever you have surprise, use how come. Let's say, how come I'm not getting call? How come I am not getting any call? How come I'm not getting any call? As I've been logged in for, let's say, 10 hours, 5 hours, like that. So whenever you have surprising circumstances, so there you have to use how come. So I hope, guys, this video may have been informative. Give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.